Today we will be discussing about the art of writing research papers. Here comes the overview, which includes the introduction, identifying the publishing platforms, format of the paper, submission process, review process. The format of the paper that consisting of abstract, introduction, related works, methodology, results, conclusion, and references. Uh, in today's video, we will be discussing about the introduction and identifying the publishing platforms. The first question that arises in our mind is why should I need a publication? There are very much they are very much needed in today's scenario due to several reasons. The main idea is that the research papers are the platforms to publish or contribute your work to the research community that you belongs to. The papers can speak for us, our talent, integrity, etc. Publications are helpful for networking and you can get more connections from outside world due to your publications and everyone can identify you because of your work and moreover it help you in your career advancement like once you apply for the phd or once you go for a academic job or postdoc, the first question will be how many papers you have or in which domain you published your papers. So it's very much important today. Next question that arises is when should I start writing my paper? While during the research you would be getting ideas on your area and you may start doing the experiments, modeling or simulations to achieve your goal. At certain point of time you will be start getting your results and I would say if you have enough results to say to the world then you think of writing a paper. Do as much analysis that you need to prove your work. Always remember that the results you obtained are repeatable. Now moving on to the platforms that are available to publish the papers. Their conference papers are there, journals or book chapters are there. So now we are discussing about the conference papers. There are two types of conferences available, that is IEEE conferences, international conferences like IEEE, national conferences, etc. Uh, I I think international conferences weigh more than the national conferences. All these conferences, in order to get the information of the conference, you have to go directly to the website and see what is the scope of the conference and which all what is the deadline of the conference submission and what is the registration charge and everything you can go and search in the website. I suggest some of the websites here. edas.info that provides the required information about the recent conferences around the globe. Then IEEE publication recommender is another one which will provide you the based on your requirements it will provide a number of conferences available and a number of journals available based on your keywords. Then next one is the about the conference. Once we submit the conference papers, there will be a review process. The review comments will be given by 3 or 4 reviewers around the globe, and you can see sometimes the single blinded or double blinded. Single blinded means we do not know who is going to review our papers, but the reviewers know from where the paper comes. However, for the double-blinded, both reviewers and authors do not know each other who is publishing, who is submitted the paper or who is reviewing the paper. Then, after your submission, your paper will be accepted or rejected. Accepted means there will be some corrections or revisions needed. So once you complete all the revisions required, the you need to give or you need to address each comment from the reviewer. So that we will be explaining in next video. After this, you have to do a presentation with enough slides, and this can be a virtual one or physical one. For the virtual one, you have to virtually talk in the conference, or you have to record a video and send it. For the physical one, also you have to present it, and the timing will be like 10 minutes to 15 minutes.